to show you how to play So This Is Christmas by John Lennon. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. This starts right off with the melody. It's in the key of A, and it starts on an A. And I start on the A below middle C to match his vocal range there. I've got this on a choir piano setting that'll give you that little vocal sound behind the notes. A, B, C sharp, A, E. E, A, B, C sharp, B. E, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, B. B, B, C sharp, B, C sharp, B, A. A, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, D. Then fill with the C sharp, D. A, D, E, F sharp, E, fill with D sharp, G, B, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, fill with the D and the C sharp, A, F sharp, A, F sharp, E, D, fill with E and the G. Then we're into the chorus, D, B, 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 A, G, D, D, G, A, B, A, G, F sharp, E, E. Now let's get the counter melody that's in the left hand. It isn't really a bass line, it's a counter melody that's actually up here in the recording, but I'm playing in the left hand down here, and it sounds pretty good because I don't want the hands to get in the way. C sharp, B, D, C sharp, D, C sharp, E, D, up to the A right there. You go from the E, B, C sharp, D, and when you hit this C sharp, come up to that A, G sharp, F sharp, back to the G sharp, down to this C sharp, B, D. Then we're going to walk it up. A, B, C sharp, D, A, D, E, B, E, A, E, G. Now here's your seventh chord, A, C sharp, E, G. And you've got that whole thing in that little section right there. Then D, A, and then we have a D, A to set up the chorus. So when you put that walking up, and then switch this counter melody into the right hand. Then we go down to hear this. Now the counter melody is in the right hand, but the accompaniment harmony is in the left hand. Have this D, they kind of do it in the recording, they do it pretty quickly. I like to slow it down a little bit. Then E, B, E, but if you want to swing it a little quicker, you can. Then for the chorus, we're going to walk up again. So you're going to go D, E, F sharp, G, so D, A, E, G, D, G, A, E, A, E, B, G, D. Now I'm going to come all the way down here and hit an E chord. Now you've still got the D, so it turns it into a seventh sound on the E chord. But the reason I'm going to come down with my right hand and play that E chord is because I'm going to take the melody in the right hand, and I'm going to cross over the left hand with the descant chorus. Back to the right hand melody for the chorus. So so that you can get that, your hands are going to get a little confused here. And what I'm trying to do is keep the melody in the right hand. practice it hands separately first and then put it together slowly. Now your descant chorus is just going to be A, G sharp, B, A, B, A sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A, G sharp, B, A, D, E, C sharp, E, D, E, D sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, E, and then switch down for the chorus. Now both lines are simple, but when you put them together, and the reason I cross over my hands is because I can't play the melody and keep my hands get. I can't play the melody with my left hand and the counter melody with my right hand, so I have to play the melody in this hand and cross over, and still they'll get a little confused. So I'm going to go slowly so you can see it now together. So you can see the A's go together, then the B's go together, then the A with this C sharp. Right there, the A and the C sharp. And here the C sharp and then G sharp go together. Back to the A's are together. Now here the F sharp and the A are together. Now there you've got an E, D with this D. The D's are together. E's are together. D's are together. Now that D and the F sharp go together. And there's that F sharp and the C sharp. D's are together. Now you can hesitate on that D just a little bit to give your left hand a chance to get over. This time I'm going to do different. Instead of playing that E chord, I'm going to go D, just the way it is in the recording. D, D sharp. They play that in the bass. D, D sharp, and then the E chord. The reason I'm doing that is because I'm going right into the melody with my right hand on the C sharp. D, D, D sharp, D sharp, and B. And then we do the same thing. It's the same exact descant. Different melody. To the chorus. We do the same thing here. And then for the tag we have a descant with a fade. And get a little slower as you go. And then hit an A chord, A, C sharp, E, A, the whole chord. So this is Christmas, John Lennon. I hope you enjoy playing it.